Well met everyone, and welcome to Raymondo Lee Travels as we walk around the city walls of York, meet some Vikings and eat donuts. Enjoy everyone, please remember to smash that like button and subscribe if you enjoy it. So we start the day by parking in a park and ride at Askham Bar. The cost of this journey was £3.60 return per adult. Alright folks, we're in York and we're in the museum gardens, beautiful museum gardens, and the first thing we're coming to is this tower here, and this is the Multangular Tower. The tower formed northwest corner of the Roman legionary fortress, was built in 300 AD. Come back a bit so you can have a good look at the tower. That's what I love about York, there's ruins absolutely everywhere. Can you imagine this in its day? So this is a mosaic map which shows a section of William Smith's geological map of 1815. Smith was an English geologist who received acclaim late in life for his method of identifying individual rock strata from its fossils. His famous map of an entire nation identified mineral resources at the time when they were most needed. So that's kind of what it's depicting. So it's hard to see on here. Is it in the river? Hey? I'll show you this old building here. It's actually a restaurant now called Roots. It's called the Bay Horse. This building. A little hidden gem here, folks. This was a hospital, St Leonard's Hospital, built at the expense of John Romanus. He died in 1255. The building, comprising a vaulted crypt with a chapel above, formed part of St Leonard's Hospital. At one time, the largest hospital in the north of England. Oh wow. Crypt. So this bit here is actually a real piece of Roman wall. A portion of the defences of the legendary fortress of Epicarum was built 300 AD, circa 300 AD, by the Roman Emperor Constantius Chloritius, who died in the city in the year 306. He was father of Constantine the Great. This is a Georgian house. It was the home of successive mayors of York since 1730s. It's one of the earliest purpose-built houses for Lord Manor still in existence.
Batman theme tune. McDonald's. What's McDonald's?
Special Russian cat that everyone worships. That travels in a circus.
Katenka wants to travel the Russian circus.
Russian cat.
Accompanied by a fellow performer, Oleg the Magnificent.
Maybe they listened to him as a cat.
Thought her spectacular highwire act made her a star. She yearned for something more and found it. Not in crowds and fame, but in a humble cottage by the sea. Proclaimed Roman Emperor. And on the side of this monument is some writing which is, it says, "Where Caesar is, there is Rome." In this Roman column once stood within the great hall of the headquarters building of the fortress of the 6th Legion, whose emblem was built in the 4th century AD and was found in 1969 during the excavation of the south transept of the Minster, lying where it had collapsed. It was given by the Dean and chapter to the York Civic Trust, who in 1971 erected it on this site to mark the 1900th anniversary of the foundation of the city of Rome in AD 71. So I just tried the tea and it was one was very spicy, quite enjoyed it. Now just checking out the Fat Hibou. I'll point out this cat that's climbing up the wall. See it? In the building, in the shop, was established in 1896.
It looks so weird.
Right, so we're around near the market now, which is near the shambles.
These are genuine Vikings.
They're all based on genuine. They wouldn't be Yeah, I've been going there for the last 6 years.
That's the Golden Fleece, York's most haunted pub. One-eyed Jack, bottom bar, dressed in a red coat. The place I've been to. This is the Merchants Hall. Alright folks, so we're walking part of the dungeon wall. So we're walking part of the wall around York. City walls.
Look at that bus stop and see if it says getting on.
It's open. It's open. Now we're walking around the wall. More areas off. Oh, the Grand Old Duke of York. He had 10,000 men. He marched them up to the top of the hill and he marched them down again. So we've walked literally most of the wall now, and there's the big war memorial. Yeah, definitely. So while we're in York, we visited the York Dungeon. It was a fantastic experience where they use live actors and they do expect a little bit of participation by the audience. Very good, and we enjoyed it a lot.
Did you try it?
So, if you're walking up Micklegate, please check out Tijuana's Coquina. We always come here when we visit York. It's a small kitchen specialising in foods from the Americas. They also do unique coffees served with a big selection of Spanish donuts, cakes, breads and pastries. Highly recommend it. We always visit this place. The coffees are absolutely fantastic. Well, I hope you enjoyed this walk around York. We really enjoyed visiting again. Please don't be a stranger, folks, and come back to the channel again. Thank you and goodbye.